If you're a CPL holder, you must be hunting for a job now, I'm sure. At this phase, the most heard words, I'm sure, is type rating. What is type rating? I am a 737 rated pilot. What does it mean? It means I'm familiar, trained, and qualified to fly the 737s. Note this point, 737s only. A 320 pilot cannot fly a 737, a 737 pilot cannot fly a 320. Now, this is not like an automobile license where you get the license and you can drive any car you want. When it comes to aviation and planes, you can fly only one plane at a time. Now, how is this done? It's done in 3 phases. Number 1, ground school. In ground school, you're taught on the plane that you've chosen. In all the subjects, to give a few, hydraulics, engines, flight controls, etc. Now, after the training, you will be asked to write an exam. Once you clear it, you move on to the second phase. It's called the fixed base simulators. In this, you will be familiarized with the plane that you've chosen. What is this system? How to operate this control, etc. and etc. And also in general flying in both visual and instrument flying. Once you're familiarized, you move on to the third phase, which is called the full flight simulator. Now, this is the real deal. It's very similar to the real plane that you will be flying later. And you will get the same motion, same feeling, and everything as if you are sitting in a real aircraft. And that is why this is the costliest training that is there out there in the world when it comes to aviation. Now, in this, you will be trained on both normal and abnormal procedures. After this, you'll be asked to go through a check by a DGC examiner. Once you're cleared, then you're rated on the plane that you've chosen.